Here we are, early, because I can. Because I can. So I'm the best. Also, I'm doing things in Eve. Yeah, I started playing Eve this morning, so I figured I may as well come in and say hello, and you can watch me, and then we'll play WoW.
Warp drive
Hello.
active.
Good to see you, my friend. Good to see you. Back again. How you doing, mate? All good? You having fun? You having fun, mate? What you been up to? I'm just doing a bit of hacking here. God damn, that's loud, boy. It's like super loud, yo. There we go. Alright, a little bit of a hacking mini game here. You may not have seen this. It's just basically you do the little mini game and you get loot for it for completing the little mini game. It's kind of like Minesweeper, really. Is basically what it boils down to. Except there's the risk of death from other players. That's an easy box. Yes, easy and therefore crap. That's okay. You're working, mate. What are you working on? Actual work? Make like earning the dollar work. There is no structure within 2,000 meters, you pleb. Let me cloak. Okay. What are you working on, dude? It's a long weekend here. I've done work as well, to be perfectly honest with you. I do a lot of videos for work. But alas, here we are. Local is clear. We have one friendly. So we are safe so far. For now. Ship coming to a stop. Yes, it is. Oh, this is a big network, so this one is probably one of the harder ones. Forcing me to fight shit already. Definitely need to get rid of you. Which way? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, what's here? Oh, very, very nice result indeed. Very nice result indeed. 1.8 mil. No. Terrible result. Terrible result. I'm sorry you're working, look. It sucks. Not nice working on the weekend. Hopefully I can provide some conversation for you, mate. I won't be doing this for long, I promise. I'm just literally clearing out a few sites and then I want to move on to setting up a WoW server for us all to play on. Or if there's any other private servers you think would be interesting to set up, I'm more than happy to look at that. And then we can look at the DevOps side of it. Not working now, off on Sunday. Oh, okay. Oh, I see what you mean, mate. You've just been working in general. I see what you mean. What is it you do for a living, mate? If you don't mind me asking. Where are you again? You're in London, right? Alright, there we go. New network. Not expecting these boxes to be overly lucrative. Oh my god. Wow. Okay. Local is clear still. Yeah, still just me and local. I'll take that, thank you. God damn it. There we go. Okay, give me billions of ISK. What? Fine. I'm in a little town called Dibdolf, about 7 miles from Stoke-on-Trent. So I'm in Staffordshire. Oh, very nice. That's cool. Andre Oliviers, thank you for joining us. Oh, yeah, okay, another friendly. We are good. Stoke-on-Trent seems decent. Have I been to Stoke-on-Trent? Pretty certain I have. Diagnosed hardware fault on computers for curries. Good old curries. Good old curries. I remember curries. The equivalent here in Australia is basically Harvey Norman or JB Hi-Fi. Is what the equivalent would be here. Coming to a stop, friend? You are coming to a stop, alright. Oh, gotta get rid of you right away. Local clear. Scan clear. Three away. 1 away. Where are you? Something here. Why did you restore in that direction? Let's go this direction. Local clear, new shield. Oh yeah, I don't know how they're working with them for 25 years. Wow, 94. Holy moly. That's awesome, dude. Are they good to work for? I often wondered when I was in the UK about getting a job doing stuff like that, because I was into computers when I was very young. And I think my dad said it. I think my dad suggested, what was the other ones? Dixon's? Do you remember Dixon's? Didn't they just get absorbed by someone else? 6.1 mil, it's a little bit better. Still poo poo wee wee. Hey Rod. So yeah, we're just doing a little bit of Eve because I just want to clear these sites and make the moolah. And then what's this moon here? U4. Okay. And then hopefully make the moolah anyway. And then yeah. Ah, so Dixon's owned Currys and PC World. So I'll just Currys now. God, yeah, PC World. Jeez, I remember PC World. Holy moly. PC World. I think I bought a PC from PC World actually, years ago. I remember the guy didn't know what an AGB port was, and I was like, does it have an AGB port? Because I need to upgrade the graphics card, and he was like, what's a graphics card? And I was like, you sir are an idiot. I think it was 11. So obviously I knew way better than him, obviously, at 11. Do you know what I mean? At 11, when you know all that stuff. About life, the universe and everything. Local is clear. Looking good on the old. D-scan, local, yeah, we're good. Oh, you guys. Come on, mate. This one could be a good one. 3 away, 3 away, 2 away. Yeah, we're getting closer to something. Nice. Are you over here, sir? You are over here, sir. $203k, not a lot at all. Pretty much poo-poo wee-wee. Comet went bust. Time computers went bust. Apollo 2000 went bust. When I started, it was all ISA slots. Yeah, I remember ISA slots as well, dude. ISA. Jesus, big massive white ones. Big huge long white ones. I remember that. Weren't they like 16-bit? 8-bit buses or 16-bit buses. And then AGP came out, and then I remember a friend of mine was like, this guy who lived around the corner from me, my god, I annoyed the shit out of him. I met him about 10 years later in a pub, and I just apologized so much for being such an annoying ass for him. Well, I was just super pumped about computers, and he would like worked in IT. But I used to go around, and that's another friendly and local. I used to go around and bother him and blah blah blah. And he had a Voodoo 3D Extreme. Do you remember those? Do you remember the Voodoo 3D Extreme? Tell me that you do. Oh yeah, baby, Voodoo 3D Extreme. They were state of the art. I remember I bought one off him. I convinced my mum to give me like £50 to buy one, and when I got it home, it was my first computer. It had an AGP slot it did not have, and that's when I learned about AGP slots. Crane, retrain, we're good. You've now left the system, okay. And that's when I remembered. That's when I learned what an AGP port was. Why did it fail? Oh, you left. Oh, I told you not to go that far. That's weird. Okay, fine. I started with an Intel DX386 with EDO RAM and just DOS. What did I have? I had a ooh. Is this signature pop? Is this site popped in here inside of this system? Because I'm at WRT. Oh, yeah, it technically has popped. Okay, stop the ship. Stop. What's your range again? Ah man, that's too far. Come on. This is probably the cam with like 50 billion and my ship's just taking the piss. Stop messing with me, Tengu. Yeah, I'm trying to remember what I had now. I think it was my very well, I remember I had an Amiga. Sorry, a Spectrum, ZX Spectrum. And then an Amiga 1200. And my first proper actual PC, if you like, was a Packard Bell. If you remember those, you probably do. Working in Courage for 25 years. Good old Packard Bells. It was terrible, obviously. But I remember when my parents bought it for me. The first thing I did was opened it, took the graphic and took the sound card out. I didn't even turn it on, dude. I just literally got a screwdriver and opened it because I wanted to see what was inside. Because I'd already seen a computer at that point. God damn it, where is this thing? It's in the middle here, isn't it? No, it can't be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It must be up here. Say what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's gonna be up here in this corner. Yeah. Clear local. Yeah. That was the last can. DOS. I remember the first CD drive being released and it had to be plugged. Oh, okay, friendly and local. So I plugged into Sound Blaster sound card. I was sold a kit with one. That was a terrible sight. That's okay. We've got 2 new signatures in here. What the F? So the Ruined Serpentis Temple VGD is still there. Okay, well. VGD purge. So these 2 here can now be removed. And now we can VDG purge. And get rid of it in 3 hours. We can cloak as we hit it. Although we might have better systems with big. We can go out with a big fat Widow or Marauder and go do, which would be more fun. What have we got here? Serpentis. Serpentis stuff's pretty bad. It never really yields the greatest loot, which I find unfortunate. A little bit of a shame, but we may as well clear them anyway. I worked at PC World fairs as a senior tech. Packard Bell went bust because they made a line of computers in a white case that went yellow in sunlight, and customers sued the hell out of them. Really? I wonder if I had one of those. I don't remember it going yellow because I lived in England, so there was no sunlight. Also, I'm ginger, so I have no soul, so the sun does not shine upon me. But okay. I just opened it, man, and started pulling things out and was like, oh, this is really cool. What does that do? Pulled the sound card out and a stick of RAM. Put it all back together and it booted. So I was like, okay. But then my dad went nuts. He was like, oh, you've invalidated the warranty because there's a sticker. Like, remember those holographic stickers they had on the case? Probably still do. Just like, oh, if this is broken, the warranty's invalid. It's like, alright. Right, Hitler. Fucking hell. Jesus. Now just build my own. I've got like 7 computers. There's that as well. Do you remember being a kid as well, Lord? And it's like, oh man, like, wish I could. You just couldn't afford anything, right, as a kid. And now all of a sudden you've got a job. And so you can just like afford stuff. It's just so funny how life just, the way life goes. I just find it hilarious how now I've got like too many computers and life is good, bro. It's super good. If you're me anyway, it's really good. I'm very handsome. Alright, where are we? Malvius, hey man, how you doing? Living the dream? Local is clear. Too far away. I am very handsome. Thank you, mate. I agree. Thanks for agreeing. At least someone agrees. Because my mother doesn't agree. No, she does really. The C64 was the first computer in my house. After about a year, my dad sold it to upgrade to a no-brand IBM clone XT with 512 kilobytes of RAM and a 5.5-inch drive. Wow. So cool. Oh, where are you going? Oh yeah, that's the right perch. Yeah, okay. I thought it warped to the wrong perch. Damn. I can't even. I wish I'd remember mine more clearly. I bounced around so many computers, man. Oh, I remember going inside of this guy's house, right? So when my dad bought me, actually it was the Packard Bell. Yeah, it was the Packard Bell. And my dad was like, "Oh, what do you want in it?" And I went, "I want a RAM upgrade." And I think I wanted to go from like, I can't remember, man. I'm pretty certain it was like 8 mega RAM to like 16 or something. It was something, and like compared to now, it was like mental. And I went to this guy. My dad heard about this guy who could like do it cheap. Just meant he worked from home basically, which is exactly what it was. We went around his house, and he had this like 21-inch CRT monitor that cost him a lot of money, and he was playing Doom on it at the time. And he was like, "Oh, you can play if you want." And I was playing on it, and it was just like crazy how that was so state of the art. This massive CRT monitor, absolutely huge. And now I'm on a 14, like completely flat. My monitor, I would say, is probably thinner in its entirety, at its thickest point, depth-wise, than the bezel that was on the outside of that 21-inch CRT, and mine is 5K and 49 inches wide. And I am still talking about my monitor. It's Dragon! Yeah, Dragon's here, baby. Everyone, you stop what you're doing, man. Say hi to Dragon. Come on, man. Hey, Dragon. How you doing, bro? You doing good, man? Dragon, tell us about your first computer, bro. What the hell? Thank you. Oh no, you've got quite a lot of life. Oh, I've got you. Oh, local has an extra friendly in it. We are good. God, I don't remember my first PC. Yeah, I don't really fully remember mine.
Warp drive active.
Warp drive active. Okay, we've got 3 now. Where are we looking over here? Spencer Spark command. Does okay. What is that? Second. Okay. I know it had a monitor, keyboard, and a mouse. Well done, mate. Jesus, well done. That's definitely a computer, I think. I think you had a computer there, yeah. I think you've correctly identified that computer. I remember reading the DOS manual and creating a menu system so I could press a number for the program I wanted to start instead of just C drive. It blew my brother's mind. Yeah, that's so cool. My neighbour actually got me into programming. I had the Amiga 1200 and she worked with them in like an office. And her boss, by the sound of it, was probably quite progressive. Had them all using computers to do all of their like inventory and stuff. This is like, we're talking now, early 90s. And so that's probably pretty progressive for the time. And she was like, "Oh, you've got an Amiga 1200?" And I was like, "Yeah, I played these games on it, but I don't know how to, like, I couldn't run certain software." So she came in and helped me and was also like, "Did you know you can do this?" And showed me how to program. And that was it. That was it for me. Probably owe Jackie quite a lot, actually. She obviously passed away now, unfortunately. This was quite a long time ago. And she was a very large lady. She ate a lot of cholesterol. So she's no longer with us. Come on, don't die on me now. 24. Oh my god, it's got 10, so it's got 2. It's on me. I can do 4. Yeah, I can just about get it. Oh my god, it's close. But he does it. Because he's the best. Okay, let's have a look. My first network was playing Diablo with my brother using a coax. Wow. Coax BNC connectors. So that would have been token ring, right? 4.3 million. I think I just got the best friggin' thing in the hole. But I'm going to do them all. I guess it was old. Then again, it was back in 86, 87. Wow. It had Windows 98 and XP soon after, so it wasn't quite that old. Nah, you're a young whippersnapper, Dragon. Young whippersnapper. You kids today, Dragon, you kids today, you'll understand when you grow up. Do you remember old people used to say that to you? You'll understand when you get older. Shut up, Boomer.
Warp drive active.
How's everyone's weekend going? It is Sunday morning for me, Saturday evening for most of you. Yeah. I have an extra in local, but it's friendly, so we are good. Lock, 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 lock it, bitch. Alright, let's go. Hack, hack, hack. Oh, we got a crane. It's a road train. It's a friendly. We're good. Don't need to kill that yet. Okay, now we'll go this way. Oh, it's a shield. Okay, local's still good. We can go this way still. Don't fight what you don't have to until you have to. Now I have to. Boom, let's go this way. Okay, there we go. Boom. That's why you don't fight what you don't have to. 1.9 mil. Suck it. Okay, just go to the goddamn thing. Just slow boat to it, I guess. Slow boat to it. Guess I can just lock it quick. Is that expression with a Kempton joystick for delay Thompson's Diathlon? Oh my god. This guy over here. You woke up at 4 PM. Oh my god. Token ring was fun to troubleshoot. Oh my god. What a nightmare. Don't even get me started. What the? No, we're looking at this one, dude. Alrighty. Here we go. Oh, brilliant. Definitely have to fight that one straight up. Alright, 111. We got something here. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. What's over here? Great, what are you? No, what are you? There's something here. Let's fight our way to it. Okay, that'll do. Alright, we're over this way now. Local's looking good. Sometimes you had to wedge something against the BNC connector to make it work. Oh my god, seriously? Ethernet, I do remember token ring. I'm trying to think though. Is there another friendly? Token ring was probably, I probably did play around with it, yeah. Just push and twist, yeah, and it locked in, it had like a little thing. They were actually pretty strong connectors, much stronger than Ethernet. Dragon. Dragon! Come back, dragon! Good old bloody coaxial cables. Do you remember when it's just like hard drives and everything just got bigger and bigger and bigger? It just got mad. It just got absolutely mental. They just kept getting larger and larger. It just got more and more mental as time went on. What was your first like proper 3D video game? Oh man, where am I going here? Oh wow, okay, fine then. There's gotta be something around here. Thank you, I'll take that. It's awfully nice of you. Whoa, 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 sweet child of mine, I'll take that. Locals looking good, D-scan's looking good. That's looking good. Boom, in your face. Give me my loot. 6.7 mil, not bad for a sight of this caliber. Right, well there's 2 additional thingies there. Where's that gone? So now we can delete them because they're gone. And now we've got this new one, which I may as well scan down while I'm cloaked. I do want to do a combat site though, in the old Golem or the Widow. Where are we at here? 8. Let's go up. What was your first? Oh, we have a naughty. We have a naughty. No, no, stop. Stop. Let me just take the name, for Christ's sake. Nothing on D-scan. Let's get him in there. He's a naughty boy. We don't like him. Right, let's see what this is. Could be a wormhole. Could be a wormhole. Could be a butthole. Before that token ring, used a massive 4 lead, I think, cable. Was notorious for back connection and breaking the ring. God damn. You crazy kids and your rings. What? Thorn transmitter. Alright, well, there we go. Let me have a think. What have I got here? It's just me in here. What have I got? Relic. Okay, let's return home. Home. Where are we? Home station. Destination. And then let's see if we can get the old WoW server up. I think I'll have my DOS discs. 95, 98, 98 SE was fun. XP was good. 2000 Vista 7, and we could get them for like £5 because we had to do Microsoft training for work at PC World. Wow. And they were like proper legal licenses. I remember getting Windows 7 Ultimate for £3. Wow. That's very cheap when you consider yeah, when you consider how much it was for just your sort of average pleb like me to buy it. Let's report this. Just a bit of intel. Oh no.
Web drive.
I actually dragged the wrong thingy. What's going on here? Someone replied to me. What do you mean? Oh. The comments on, I think. Box as well? Oh my god. Alright, I'm just gonna dock up. Dock.
Web drive active.
Holy moly, there's a lot going on in here. What the hell? Though they're doing maybe the eyesight or something.
Web drive active.
Cancel that actually. Oh, hang on. How do you not see the eyesight? Oh, what the freaking hell?
Web drive active.
Strange.
Request accepted.
I didn't use my Instadock neither. And because PC World made a line of computers named Advent, I have all the recovery disks, so all I had to do is... You should create digital copies of all that if you can. Oh, they're not doing ice. Then what's this entire mining fleet doing? Are they just all getting ready? Where are they at? They're all there, are they? Okay. Interesting.
Web drive active.
Warp drive active. Hi, I'm a sexy robot. Dragon's back! Do we want to play on a World of Warcraft server? Do you have Tailscale installed? With the sexy robot thing. Never regret things, brother. What? They're not here. Okay, so D-Scan lied to me. You have it installed. Install what? Tailscale. If you install Tailscale, then we can... I will dock up right now, because I know Eve doesn't interest you guys.
Web drive
And then
active.
we will Tailscale to each other and create one sexy robot. You like Eve? Okay, just keep playing Eve then. No, just kidding. Want to be inclusive of everyone. Inclusive of the world.
Docking permission requested. Docking request accepted.
I should be docked. Yeah. You do understand Excel more. How far am I on that jump drive now? Should be 1 day and 6 hours. Okay, great. Boom. I trained into a load of skills I didn't think I needed. Lord, I think I needed like 1.2 mil for something, and in the end I didn't need the 1.2 mil. How good's that, bro? How good's that when you get that wrong? Alright. So one thing I do need to do actually is... Let's create a new window. Let's pop it here. And then let's go over to Proxmox. Yeah, we'll go to this one. Alright, where are we on the old... Mark Neal's back. Greeting again, fellow nerds. I've had streams on TV for the past 10 minutes, so caught the convo. I had a similar Star Spectrum Amiga 500 1 mega upgrade. You could say the Amiga had quite an impressive impression on me. I'm remaking Z-Wolf. Oh my god, that's so cool. How are you doing that? Let me pop out this chat here. This chat needs to be popped out. Poppity pop. Pop 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 poppity poppity pop. Does that pin it? Oh god, it doesn't. Okay, I thought that. Oh, that just puts it on all. Keep above all others. God, I love Linux. Scale is Hamachi for Enterprise. Please don't ask for PC restart. Tailscale is Hamachi for Enterprise. Tailscale is just awesomeness. That's all you need to know about it. That's all you need to know, Sunshine. Is that it's awesomeness. It's awesome sauce. Where's my WoW box? It is running. I don't even remember now whether it works. Ha. Why is WebGoat running? Why did I... Oh, yeah, I remember. Well, no, actually, why did I start WebGoat? We can shut down WebGoat. The maze can shut down now. That Neo4j can shut down now. Oh, that was me playing around with the graph stuff, wasn't it? We've got Bob. Bob's good. We go over here. Alrighty. 2.6.8.4 maybe. The key seems correct to me. That's the one. There it is. And then yes. Living the dream. No. Okay. Okay, it's loading. It's Bob. Isn't Bob the WoW server? What was Bob again? Yeah, I remember we created Bob, but I can't remember what we created Bob for. I don't think it was the WoW server. Why did we create Bob again? This has always been my dev WoW server. The Eve Util, that's the one. Yeah, it's running Wanderer. Yeah, well remembered, man. A lot of planning and research, a lot of detective work to get the rights, etc. And using C. Plan is to remake Zeewolf 1, 2 for PC. Then have a go at making a Zeewolf 3 new game. Oh wow, you've actually bought the IP. Like you've literally bought the IP to the game. This is in YouTube chat, by the way. Sorry guys. Mark doesn't want to join the Discord. God. Doesn't want to be one with the Discord crew. Let me fire up. I don't think my WoW. Wow. Such WoW. I don't know if it's been configured and I don't even remember my friggin' passwords. So I'm probably going to have to go in and change them. They're probably stupid passwords as well. So you could guess them and just get like GM or something. Like the noobs that you are. Isn't buying IPs like damn expensive? Intellectual not internet protocol, not IP addresses, intellectual property. But yeah, you are correct. Yeah. Oh yeah. No, it is expensive. Yeah. No, it is expensive. Well, it depends. They might sell it to you for $1, right? Okay. Okay. Alright, let's kill that then. Let's go over here. We'll put it away from here so you guys can't see. You guys. And then we'll go... yeah, we'll do that. Yeah, and then we'll go to Azeroth Core. Yeah, and then we'll go... Yeah. Is it master? It is. Bin. And then we'll go Vim. Vim etc world server. We'll do console. Enable 1. Okay. We'll fire it up, baby. Quite funny, I had to track down Binary Asylum's old accountant and email her to reach Bob Wade, the head of the studio. Got the permission, then contacted Alistair Brimble about being able to ... being able to then start your project. That's amazing, man. I wouldn't write it in C though. I would probably take the IP and I'd probably use a modern engine if I was you. I don't know if you've ever created the game before, but I have, and it's really, really difficult to do. Now, what is it? It's account, create, and I'm going to go Mike, and then my password, right? Okay. Okay, we're gonna do. Okay, what else can I do? Can I do? Yeah, that's fine. Okay, set GM level like 3 -1. Okay, account create. We'll go with Lord God. Lord Dog, no Lord God. Alright, what should we set as your password? That Lord, I just messaged you, that's going to be your password. So we'll get this set to first. And then I think go to OBS. Oh yeah, you can see the chat. Sorry, there it is. Where are we here? There I am. Let's go here. Yeah, good. Okay. Yeah, it's gonna be yours. Alrighty. I didn't. I should show up the thingy. What's it called? The. Actually, you know what? Account set GM level. Dragon 3 -1. Yeah. Account set GM level. Lord God 3 -1, and then we'll deal with access in just a second. Okay. Yeah. Kill it. Sweet. Vim. Swap that out. Close. Restart. Sweet. Pay for the right. Let's have a look. So, remake the theme music myself using real band instruments as I play guitar. Sadly, he refused, so I have to just reuse the original music as he didn't want to alter it at all. He just let me pay. Yeah, but I can see where they're coming from there. He's effectively basically saying it's an artistic creation, right? And the music fits into the theme and the vibes of it. So I really dislike Discord, so I don't have it. That's okay, Mark. I'm just teasing you, mate. We can work with this. It's all good. I agree about using existing engine, Unreal, but I wanted full control, so I've just learned game engine architecture for a while, so I've had to fun piece it together. That's going to be quite the challenge, dude. It's going to be quite the challenge. Good on you. Alright, so Lord and Dragon, you have passwords now. I find it weird. They would even sell it. It's Sega. Oh, it's not Sega. It's Binary Asylum, and they made a Star Trek game. What game did you make? Oh, I didn't make like I don't mean I made like a game that was published, but I have worked on a game at a company. It wasn't published though, and it was hard. It's a lot of work, especially if you're going to write it in something like C. It's an insane amount of work. You look at Stardew Valley, for example. That took 3 years to make. It's like a 2D. And that's a pretty complicated game. The guy did everything himself. Is a user code? Well, it is, but you won't be able to get in yet, I don't think, because I don't think I even have... I don't think I even have Tailscale on there. Maybe I do. I don't know. We'll find out. I'll need your Tailscale email account, so you'll need to DM me the email address that you've used for Tailscale to log into it, so that I can share the machine with you, and then it allows you to log in. We're obviously going to play Alliance, by the way. OVS. Alright. Where are we? Tailscale, baby. Tailscale, baby. Tailscale.com. That's the theme music for Tailscale. It's just me going tailscale.com. How do we log in? There we are. It's in. Sign in with Google. Boom. Hey Michael, just curious if you play WoW currently or have recently, or literally about to now, Connor. Shared out to one person. Wow. Okay, let's go in here, see what we've got. Alright. I think I know where that is, so I'm just going to revoke that access. Alright, Lord, you're in. You've been shared, so you'll need to go to your email and click the link. And Dragon, I've done the same for you. If you join the Discord, man, I can add you in if you want, Connor, but you'll need to install Tailscale. For our realm list, that is absolutely correct. So your realm list will be wow dot dropper hyphen panga dash ts.net. I'm pretty certain that's what it will be. I always forget whether it's Pango or well, drop it up Panga. Yeah, I think that's correct. Do not click weird emails. Well, it's not weird, so get a grip. Do you play WoW, Connor? You better have to, man. You better play WoW. You better be playing it so hard right now. Obviously, we're all going to play Alliance, aren't we? You're all GMs, by the way, so you can do whatever the hell you like. Just don't delete each other, okay? This is about fun and happiness. Cheers, it's a passion project of mine, so it's my full focus. Had some cool help along the way. Dinny had some good books. Yeah, nice. I think he's good as well. John Romero shows a lot of his knowledge. Where are you, Mark? You're in England, right? I forget. Where's this WoW playing, man? Let's get that volume right down. I like the music in WoW, but Jesus Christ. I like my ears better. I like being able to think better. Yeah, Midlands. Okay, John Romero's now in Ireland. He moved to Ireland, set up a game studio there. At least since 2007. Currently splitting time between retail and Turtle WoW. Turtle WoW looks good. I might give Turtle WoW a go. Does look very good. I've been tempted by Season of Discovery. Does look kind of cool. What am I gonna play? So I go a priest. No, let's go something like a warlock because they're just naughty. No, they're too complex actually. Jeez. Randomize. Baldy man. Let's randomize until I like the looks of it. Cool. Is this the realm list? That is indeed the realm list. That should be working for you. Doesn't work. Oh, I know why. I know why. I know why. I know why. Sorry. I know why. 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 There you are. That's why. If I go down to... I know why. Graphic Web Media, WoW 85, accept. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I know what it is. Okay. I just added to the ACL. I've still got to add you into the ACL to ensure that you've got permission. Okay. Alright, policy's been saved. See if we can try now. That name is unavailable. God. Alright, magic. Man. Okay, fine. Try that. I played first SOD phase. It was fun. Just kind of fell out of it. Okay. TWoW is a blast, Connor. And going through the high elf starting area, pretty fun. Are you in now, Dragon? Can you join? Oh man, that's choppy. What the hell's going on there? I shall await your appearance, both Dragon and Lord. Going through High of... Yeah, nice. I was interested. Isn't it like third season now? I also don't get seasons in MMOs. I don't get seasons. It doesn't work. It gets stuck at trying to log on the game server. Let's have a look. So I've added you in there. Let me go to here. Three 724. Okay, it's tail scale status. So what's the spell? Tail scale, correct. How can I ensure that it works? So the ports are there. It allows the group WoW and tag WoW. Tag WoW contains group WoW. Group WoW contains me, you guys. Port 8085 and 3724 are open. They accept. Preview rules. So let's see what happens if I tag WoW. Yeah, you should be able to get into 8085 and 3724. Let me just double check the bind. Yeah, it's on the 4. Yeah. Huh. So what if I try and... Yeah, okay. Interesting. So what if I try and... Yeah. Okay, so I know I'm on a local machine, but I am still technically going over the Tailscale network. So it is working, I think. But it could be a permissions thing. You should be able to hit it though. What about Lord? Lord! Seasons are in right now. It's just patches. Oh, is that all it is? I remember years ago when Twitch was just in TV and a few people were coding the WoW private servers, live streaming it. Wow. Yeah. They've been around for quite a while now. They've been a thing for quite a while. 20 to 8. Bloody hell. Mine is stuck at success when logged in. Oh, ah. I got you backs. I got you backs. I got you backs. It's obviously the realm list inside the server, right? It's gonna give you the wrong realm. AC auth, isn't it? Okay. Then show me the databases then. A core auth. Alright, it's gonna be yeah, yes, address is wrong. Okay, so update update realm list set address equals wow dot dropper dash panga dot cs dot net. This might prevent me from where id equals 1. Is it? Update realm list, update realm list set address equals where id. Is that wrong? Oh yeah. Okay, now it gives micro realm, but stuck on login. Yeah, mine's stuck on. Okay. So now I'll just maintain my connection while I can. What is this? Oh, that's bot stuff, isn't it? Yeah, and now I've lost the no, I haven't lost the connection. Okay, try it now, guys. I might need to restart the auth server. Multipart, custom model search. Get rid of that stupid thingy bar. So now it should be giving you back the TS, the Tailscale DNS. Just on success again. So let's try system restart off server. Try clearing the cache in your clients as well, but also just give that a shot. It should work for me on the local address actually. 89. Yeah. So I should be able to get, because I'm on the same local subnet, it should give me the local LAN one. Yeah, it does cut low off the stream. Alright, I'll fix that then. I wasn't going to, I was going to sort of use it as a way to force you to get into Discord, but alright, it's still working for me. So let's see if you can get in the meantime. I shall bring this up to I am in. Yes, nice. Works. So that was the issue then, basically. Okay, let's unlock my face. Unlock my face. There we go. Make me a bit bigger because I know you guys love my face. You can't get enough of it. It's dead anyway, so okay, works. Alright, so you should be able to see the chat now as is. Yeah, latency will be bad, by the way. Oh my god. Yay! Whoop, 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 whoop. Right, your GMs. .gm on. .gm on. You can do whatever you want. Give yourself gear. Let's go do some content. How good's that? Tailscale. So, private network. Don't have to reveal anything. You just straight on in. Azeroth was Binary Asylum. There was a build for Mega Drive, but it didn't get released. The Star Trek game is what killed the studio. Interplay did a rug pull halfway through ST Dev and gave it to the US. Oh, that's nasty. That's nasty. That's nasty, that is. Alright, so who knows a lot about the game and can give us there's a book on the floor here. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. I created stuff. Where'd the dragon go? He's teleported himself away. What? He's made himself invisible. He made himself invisible. Oh. Okay. Trying to fix his game. That's a shame about the Star Trek. Can't make it windowed. Have a play. It's all good. No rush. We're just riffing. Lord's job is to research endgame gear for us all. Level 60 gear. So what you type Lord is go into the chat and type .level space 59. That'll give you 59 levels. No, you want to give you 59 levels, you dog. You've made me level 119. Got to do math now. 40, 59. Brilliant. There we go. But now we need gear so we can do level 60 content with 3 of us. Oh, I don't have... Hang on a minute. I'll have auto balance. Oh yeah, and solo dungeon as well, so that we can invite you into a group so that we can do content. When we do the content, we'll have to turn GM off. Then we actually do the content itself. Here comes Dragon, baby. No! They went offline again. So how far are you in, Mark, with Z-Wolf? I need to look at Z-Wolf. Show me the Z-Wolf. Z-Wolf game. God damn. That's groovy music. Okay, just play it.
Supposed to land. I think I'm supposed to winch him. I'm not sure how. I'm pressing the winch key.
14 years ago. Is this you, Mark? Are you Jim Plays Games? Is this you?
Maybe I need to destroy this enemy first. Over here.
That's so cool.
Whoa, it's shooting at me. Got him.
Don't
Hey,
crash.
maybe I do need to land.
No, you've got
Let's try it.
$5,000, bro. Just go retire. It's the early 90s.
Nope. It's got to... I'm definitely pressing the right button. I don't understand.
Don't understand, mate.
Okay, this ain't working. Let's just try doing something else. Whee! Close to the ground. I actually prefer... I've got to do this. There's lovely sound effects and visual effects.
Whoa.
I prefer helicopter games to airplane, jet fighter type games, because the jet fighters are always too fast. Now let's switch to a rocket. Oh,
That was
lovely.
a terrible
There are
shot.
many of them now. Ah, there we go.
Wow, you just get money for killing things.
Maybe I needed to get them first.
Is
that's
that
why
how
it's
it works in
giving me
real
the
life?
Enemy AFVs destroyed.
You should join the Air
Message.
Force.
Plonk.
I'm not very far in, to be honest. I've been planning it out, getting a GDD started, mapped out game design document started, mapped out a few levels, started the engine in C, had a pause to look at reverse engineering the original game, but sadly, ... Likes to keep me in suspense, this guy. Jesus. Hey Lord, have you done the research yet? Come on, man. Level 60 human warrior gear. I'll go research level 60. Wow, that's Lich King. Level 60 end game gear, baby. You get a dragon? Yeah, you're in. Like you can get it windowed now. 2006. Oh, look at that. This is actually from 2000. This blog is literally from 2006. As of patch 1.1. Oh no. Oh no. Let's go to armor sets. Let's see if he's got anything a little bit, tiny bit newer. Yeah, what's this? Okay. Has that got armor sets in it though? Ow! I like this guy blogged about it. That's so cool. Let's have a look. Mage. 2006 enhancement. That's cool, man. This person did that. It's just been alive. It's a WordPress as well. It's got to be a static. No, it's WordPress.com. Oh my god. WordPress.com have kept this alive since like 2000. 68k. Oh, okay. Need some user nerd help me to grab the assets, etc. Still plan. You do know Jim? Bloody hell. Jim's making a game that's funky, by the way. It's a deck builder sci-fi ship. Starship base. Oh, cool. Have you got a link? That sounds cool. Right, well, that's Seawolf. We've had enough Seawolf for the day. It's all this guy over here in the YouTube chat bangs on about. Bloody Seawolf. That's that guy again. Okay, so I need okay, WoW 3.3.5 a gear set. Come on, how does one go to a player? Dot appear space and the name. I'm called Magic Man. You got Uriel. I don't even know what Lord's doing, he's just stood there. There we go. Ah, you went with an elf. Nice. Nice. Okay, Wowhead. And now we just need armor sets, but these are 3.4, whereas we need 3.35. Okay. Let's have a look. 3.35. I need gear sets, man. Never played the game. Just do T1 or something, like the whatever the lowest is, but like gets us gear. What's this? Item sets. Okay. It's on Steam, I think. I forgot its name, game's name though. Sorry for waffling on, by the way. You did ask. No, man, it's all good. Please keep going. It's all good. It's all good. So on cloth, on epic. I want the best. Okay. Oh, I wonder if we could find in gear. I wonder if we can there's those where are they now? I always forget where they are in here. Don't forget you can give yourself mounts as well. You gotta, I'll have to get you the commands so you can learn all of the skills and stuff. Isn't there someone up here maybe that spies tokens? The endgame tokens, where are they? Threads of fate. Not in there, that's a battlegrounds thing, isn't it? Simply enchanting. I thought they were up here. Where the friggin' hell are they? Fire all weapons. Alright, well, I've got to wait for these guys to... Roguelike tactical deck building space combat. Make your way through hostile alien space, finding new technologies, build your deck, survive, and make it home in one piece. Damn. Deck building is an interesting way to approach this style of game. Interesting aliens. That's really cool. That's actually a really interesting way of doing a space game, a roguelike. Fire all weapons. Pew, 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 pew. Retro as hell, man. Where did he get the artwork from? Did he pay someone to do it? How do I... yeah. Did that work? Oh my god, it did. Wow. Did not expect that. I'm gonna add it to my wish list. Let Jim Makes Games know. Just going to say hello, I'm pretty dead, so I won't stick around. Thanks, Trouble. I'm sorry you feel bad, man. Hope you feel better soon. Yeah. Shame you can't stick around, Trouble. Maybe you can come join us in WoW next week and have a little play. But I hope you feel better. Stormwind was not made for flying now. There is a patch for it though. You can patch your client. Woo! And it does enable it. Wow. Thanks for that. I have put that on my wish list and let Jim know that he's welcome on the stream anytime, Mark, if he wants to talk about his game. And I shall be buying it when it comes out because that looks really cool. Minimum requirements of Windows 8, Windows 10, so you can Intel i3 2GB, 4GB RAM. I don't know if I can run it. It looks really, really intense on the old requirements there. He made the artwork himself. God damn. Where the hell are these people where they exchange the tokens? They're in here, aren't they? Roomweaver Square. What's this here? What? Hey, what? Oh, because I'm GM, so the things have probably just appeared. Okay, let's go over here. What's over here? Yeah, let's go the Silver Enclave. Are they in here, maybe? A hero's welcome? Are these... Isn't this Horde? No? Okay. There are people that will sell... Ah, here they are. They're up here. They're up here. Yeah. They're up here. They're in here. They're not in here. I don't know where they are. Someone help. There they are. I found them. Don't help. Don't help me. Had a gosh darn stressful weekend. I'm not going to know if I'm okay for literal months from now. What the hell, dude? That sounds really bad, man. You okay? Holy shit. If you need to talk, you can reach out in private, man. Don't go through hardships alone. You need to talk to people. That sucks though. Ugh. Not good. So we've got this stuff. We could use these Emblem of Conquests. But these use emblems of heroism. Best case scenario was one-time attack. Worst case scenario, my kidneys are shutting down. What the fuck? Oh, sorry to hear that, man. Attack, like physical attack by someone, or like just attack on your immune system? How the hell do you know if something is PvP or not? I mean, one day I woke up and pissed blood. God damn, either I passed a stone and didn't feel a thing, or something worse was going on. I would say it's probably a kidney stone, man. Yeah, I had a friend that went through that and it was a kidney stone. So hopefully it's just a kidney stone and it's passed through. Yeah, that's brutal. I'm sorry that happened to you, mate. Resilience and currently used to buy. What do you mean, resilience currently used to buy? From what I know, passing a stone hurts like hell. It does. Yeah, I know the currency, but I'm saying, how do I know whether the gear? Oh, resilience is PvP. I see what you're saying. Yeah, I think you're right. I think it does. Yeah. So either it's the latter scenario, or I have legendary pain threshold. Mark says, I will let him know. To be honest, I do not like playing deck building games on computers. I prefer real card games such as Zombie Flux and Space Flux. But Jim's game has a certain charm to it, so I'm in. Yeah, I agree. That looks pretty cool. It's an interesting way of having the ability to fire weapons and stuff in the game as well. Instead of having like a capacitor with bullets and ammo, you have cards that you draw, and then that's what you're capable of doing. So it adds like a degree of RNG into it, into what your ship's capable of doing, what you're capable of doing. Sorry, I'm just a bit occupied with troubles. Can't do much before I have actual tests done, so calming down a bit. Yeah, you gotta control what you can control. What is inside your, you know, circle of control, circle of influence, and it's, yeah, this isn't one of them, man. You just have to, fortunately, just have to get on with it. Sorry that's happening to you. It's pretty harsh. Battle gear though has strength and stamina on it. Is this the super endgame stuff? Oh man. Oh, got too many Vivaldi windows open. Yeah, okay. Level 80 gear. This is all endgame, isn't it? Yeah, so I need level 60. We need level 60 gear. So I just need a set. Or if we give ourselves just blues, sets of blues, and then we work our way up. What say you, sir? Just chill, trouble. Just relax and take it easy, man. What are we talking about? We are in World of Warcraft. Dragon, myself, and Lord are in WoW 335A, Wrath of the Lich King, Azeroth core, and we are looking for level 60 gear that we can use to essentially just establish ourselves so that we can then go and do some dungeons. But because I haven't played the game in so long, I didn't really do much endgame stuff. I did a lot of solo stuff. I have no idea what the sets look like. Vanilla gear is a nightmare. Yes, I can imagine it is. There we go. What's this stuff here? The Dreadmist Regiment? Oh, we don't? Okay. Well, I mean, we just need something, though. We just need something. We just need anything to establish a baseline so we can work with something. Yeah, don't worry about best in slot. Do we just literally need something that was level 60 and lets us operate? Like Dungeon Set 1. Magister's Robes. There's even a crafted helmet for Feral Druids that was best at Tilbach Temple. Wow. Alright. New. Mage gear. Okay. I think it's to add item 16688. Yes, okay. Okay, so I can create a macro that gives me all this gear. This'll do, I reckon, right? It's a good baseline for us to start with. So if Lord and Dragon, if you go into, if you go here, and then search for database, go to item sets, and then search for, change the thing on the right to plate or whatever. I'm good to go. Oh, I need a fit as well. 16686. 16686. 166. 87. 16689. Or we can level together if you want, but that takes a long time. Dungeon set is basically the last step in pre-raid progression. Okay, so is it a good option for us to use to go on to leveling? 16682. So we level from 60 to 80. If that makes sense, because we're starting at 60. Probably good enough, yeah. Well, you already have lowered by making yourself level 60. What you now need is gear, and you need a talent spec build for what you want to play. The game's like, what the fuck, this guy just deleted her. Yes, man. Yes, man. Yeah. Alright, cool. Not bad at all. I need to learn how to wear plate. Yeah. What do you mean, stats or skills? Oh, you're gonna need to give yourself gold and you're gonna have to go and learn all your skills, dude. Yeah, so I think it's just money. Do I add money, I think? Oh yeah, value money is not valid for type unsigned in, or character money does not exist. Give money, I think it is. Can't remember now. There are tricks for like learning stuff. I'll leave the stream on my TV as I have to go now, moving tomorrow. Sorry to hear about your health, less troubles. Hopefully they work out. What's up? It's gone and scare you. Yeah, plus fluids, man. Have lots of fluids. Thanks, Mark. Cool project, man. Please keep us posted on what's happening. Please. Do you mean stats? Because there's item stats and stat skills like one source. I think he means the latter, I think is what he means. I need to appear. There's also .sheet as well. I don't want to use it too much, but you can use taxi, water walk, status. What does that do? Status. Oh, the status of your cheat, what you have enabled. Okay, cheat. Cooldown, cast time, explore, explores everything, god power. No, we won't use .cheat, that's useless. You level weapon skills by using the weapons, and skills like defense by getting hit. Yeah, so there must be a way of thinking those, tweaking those. Let's go to this one over here. Let's go Azeroth for GM commands. There's a whole host of them. There is one for learn all recipes, learn all my talents, learn all talents and spells with first rank learned as talent, available class, learn all my spells, learn all my pet skills, learn all my class, learn all spells and talents available for class, learn all lang, learn all GM, learn all default, learn for selected player name, player disposed race class rewarded. Available for his class, learn all my spells. Okay, learn all my spells. Rank 6. Alright, so that means you don't have to go and buy them, you can just use them. It's been a while since I played a mage. Holy moly. I need a build as well. Learn, select a skill, ID, spell, if all, provide then all ranks learned. Level up. What's this? Currently cleans current queue only for debugging purposes. Nmap stats. Modify drunk. Modify energy, faction, honor, HP, money. I'll modify money. Forcefully getting people drunk, so good. Modify raid, reputation, modify scale, speed. Yeah, speed, modify speed. Spell, stencil, talent points, modify. Okay, morph, reset, morph. Mute history, near grave, notify. Must be a way of doing it. Resets recalculate all stats of the targeted player to original values. Set the level of character with player name or the selected name not provided by number of levels +1 if number of levels provided. The level will increase by 1. If number of levels is 0, the same level will be restarted. If no character selected, name provided, increase your level. Command can be used for offline character. Oh, can it really? That's interesting. Offline character. If no character, offline character. All stats and dependent values recalculated at leveling can be reset. Also, at level decrease equipment, items. So, character level seems better then. Character level. If number of levels omitted. Character level, player name. So set my level to 1. Okay, lovely. Yeah, but all my weapon skills, defense is still 1 of 300. But now I'm drunk. God damn. Oh my god. Should have given these people GM powers. Language. So how do I... How do you get those up though? Truly despicable. That's just the way I roll, dude. How do you... Oh, well, okay, well I guess it would be... Oops, you just gave me a load of stuff. Thanks for that, I'll just go sell that now, make lots of money. You are drunk. Can I sell that to this guy? Hey man, you want to buy a lot of gear? A lot of leather? Pretty good stuff. I need to find a merchant, I just need to sell all this stuff now. Hey dude, no I'm drunk, but I've got all this leather I want to sell to you. Got it for free. Pure profit. Hey. How is there no one in here? What kind of pub is this? What the fuck? Why is this pub completely empty? What? How you doing over there, Lord? just realised I didn't give myself a riding skill or anything. What are you doing? What? Thank you very much. Still trying to learn plate. All good. So we need to learn. If we go back to that here, it has skills in it as well. So character spells, profession, secondary skills, professions, talents. If you go to paladin, holy, racial traits, proficiencies, armor and weapon, class skills, mage, yeah. So if you go to proficiencies, armor, you got cloth, blah blah blah. It's got a spell ID, and it's, so for me, 9078, and then I think cheat cooldown, learn all default, learn all my spells. You can learn all my class, but it will teach you all the talents, so you need to reset them. Learn all my class. I've done that. It didn't do anything with my talents. It gave me all 51 points. It's not spent them though. Alrighty. So learn all my class. I'll put this in the macro. Actually, we'll just do that. That can just be gear. We'll do a new one for talents. Learn all my class. Have fun, man. Trouble. Keep us posted, dude. Stay safe. Lots of fluids. Lots of rest. Stay in touch, please. Have fun. As best as you can. Why can't they just go back to their 9078? Learn 9078. You already know that spell. It's a skill cloth. Oh, I see. So you just teaches you cloth. So you need to just work out learn all my class should teach you all the stuff, Lord. But if it doesn't, then you need to get the spell ID for plate. Defense. Let's go back to here. Class skills. Weapon skills. Oh, here we go. So I go unarmed. Skill 162. So can you do anything with a skill? Look up skill. Oh, there we go. Sets all skills of the targeted player to their maximum values for its current level. Dot max skill. Yes, dot max skill is what you need. That'll set defense, staves, unarmed ones to 300. Gives you more of my gear, sets all the talents up. Oh wow, that's my mana just went through the roof as well. Did that? Oh, okay, yeah, cool. Just making sure I didn't do anything stupid. I also need a better weapon. What time are we on? 8:30. Gonna go for a coffee soon. Have you managed to crack it, Lord? Yeah, you got your basic weapon as well. To get a mount now. Yeah, so riding. It's effectively a skill, right? So you go browse, skills, spells, and then I think it's mounts. Ground mounts. And then that's all your mounts. Browse. Professions and skills, riding, sorry. And then there's riding, which is skill 762. Damage. Mount, modifying mounts. It's cool that you can do that, but that's not. Set free talent points, send items, damage, dismount. Okay. Azeroth core, GM command, learn riding. I used to have a lot of this stuff. Giving yourself a... God, you're giving yourself quite the mount there. Isn't that thing like super hard to get? That's the is that the AQ41? That's like redonkulous. Very nice. Oh, I like it, mate. Once we've done all this and we're set up as well, try and remember the commands and put them into macros for me, and then I'll document them, and then I'll also dump the database as well, create a copy of everything, back up all the SQL. Yeah, okay. Thank you, Cloudflare, for saving the world with your verification. Shitty verification front page. The cheats on our pet commands, NPC commands, game object commands. Info, life and death, save, extended waypoint, security guild, yeah, brilliant. But I just need a list of riding skills, dude. Okay, so, IDs, yeah. Dot set skill 6. Yeah, okay, so what you need is dot set skill 762. For player dragon, set to 300. Yeah, so I've given dragon, I've accidentally given you flying 300, so you're good. Okay. You probably had it anyway. Just need to get a mount now. That's still load. Load is still loading around. I have only what's for this level, which flying isn't. Flying isn't. Yes. That's okay. We can learn flying manually, I think. And I think we should give ourselves just a bit of gold. Not much, but modifying money. I don't know, what's 1,000? 10 silver, okay. What's a lot? Is 10 gold a lot? I can't remember. I'm going to go with 111 gold, is what I'm going to give myself. I really don't know what accessories to get. Yeah, I know. I think it's just a case of you have unlimited gold, do you, Lord? Okay, well there you go then. Don't forget, turn GM off once you've got all your gear, and then we can use it just to get ourselves unstuck or just sort of insta-pulp to dungeons and stuff. But I definitely want to roam the land. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's probably roughly right. I need interface. Gonna need a few more action bars than this. Oh man, it's been a while since I've played this level of the old Magio. How do I do it again? What do I do? Okay, I need a build. So I've got modify amount. Okay, now I need gear. Item set, items, weapons. Okay. Here we go. Main hand. Rare. At least rare. Well, we can give ourselves an epic weapon, I guess. Usable by mage. Nothing. Clear that. Quality epic. I was gonna say, there are nothing that can be used by a friggin' two-hand boss drop, level 8, required level 80, no. Required level 60, baby. Soulkeeper. That filter makes it to have the condition of it. Yeah, that's very true. I needed that, that's what I needed, two-hand. Boss drop, Staff of the Shadow Flame. 86 feral attack power. What do I want? I don't want anything too ridiculous. Item levels require level 60. Increases spell power bar 71. Grandmaster Stave 18873. Okay. 18873. Oh, that's pretty shiny. I think I've given myself quite the staff there, haven't I? Okay. God, I need rings and everything now. Okay, let's start with neck. Armor. Amulets. Mage. Let's go with rare. Level 60. Apply. Ice crown. Again, I don't want anything that's like ridiculous. I don't want anything that's like crazy. What's this one? Critical strike rating, stamina and intellect. Okay. Okay. 44392. How are you guys going? Lord's probably still working out how to swing an axe. Need something for my back, bro. Armor, cloth. Give me something for my back. I'm done with gear, just sorting spells out. Cool. Yeah, I'm gonna have to learn how to do stuff. Cloaks. That's what I wanted. What does that do? I'm unholy. Spirit stamina. That'll do. 15421. Whoopsie. One 15421 was that? 15421. 15421. Thanks. Hey, not bad. Giving yourself a weapon yet, dragon? Twin blades of... okay, thanks for that. It's pretty rare. Gotta go sell it. Oh, we need bags. No. What are they called? They're called like void bags or something. What the fuck? You giving me stuff? Martin Fury. What the hell? Kills all enemies in 30 yards radius. Cheater! What the hell? Didn't even know that was a thing. Is there a goddamn... Thank you. My god. I've got an pretty insane amount of gold now. They changed it in retail. That was given to a player once by mistake. Was it really? Whoa. You kills yourself now. That's so funny. Totally getting portal holes. 51809. Can you do 4 at the end? Does that work? Yes. Give yourself portal holes, guys. So you just got unlimited baggage, basically. Well, a large amount anyway. You also have cool void hole things on you. Bar. What am I looking at? Don't care about tabard. Now I need rings. Items. Armor. Rings. Jewelry. Rare. Usable by a mage. Apply. Let's have a look at this. Oh. I want something that's like sort of just a bit basic and simple. Not like drops from like fucking Ice Crown Citadel. But it's sort of just ridiculous, obviously. Item level, let's go to item level. Let's do between like 55 and 69 or something. Boss drop, Overlord on expand. I'm gonna go ahead and say that's probably a bit mad. Ragnaros core. That's pretty cool. Didn't even know that was a ring. Okay, let's go up here. Let's go intellect greater than or equal to, I don't know, 10. That's better. Level 59. I'll take 2 of those. 16999. Yes. Find it. Find it to me. And earrings. Armor. Trinkets? Not trinkets, are they? Oh, they are trinkets. Okay. There we go. Crafted trinket. Oh, that's... seems a bit excessive. Requires level 70. Requires level 60. Let's clear that. Apply that. What's going to be the first thing we're going to do? Oh no, that's a bit wrong. That's a bit high. What's the first thing we're going to do? I'm going to go make a coffee shortly and grab some stuff I can eat while we play. So 60 mana every 5 seconds for 30 seconds. Not bad. What do I want for a trinket? When struck in combat, has a 1% chance of forcing all melee damage taken by 25 for 10 seconds. Hogger. All 3 level 60s with basically almost near endgame gear on, just absolutely beaten down on Hogger. Let's see. Does that work? Oh, okay. 9. I guess we're going to have to come up a little bit if we're going to... Eye of Moan. Increases spell power by 50, decreases magical resistance of all spells targets of your spell targets by 100 for 30 seconds. Requires level 60, item level. That's pretty cool. I like that. 21473. Alrighty. But did I? The history of what you typed in this game in the chat is not very good, is it? It sort of just loops and doesn't actually remember where you were at. Thanks. Okay, great. Because I added 2 of these bad boys. Royal Seal. Great. Royal Seal. 180.22. Alright. 180.22.2. And then I just added an Eye of Moan, didn't I? Okay. Item, space, trinkets, and Eye of Moan. 21473. 21473. Just one of those, and then one more trinket, I think. Fetish of chitinous spikes. Causing turn nature down on attackers when hit. That's 30 seconds, 300 cooldown. Ouch, that's pretty cool. 21488. Sweet. I gotta learn my friggin' using a mage build. What do I want to do? I want to go fire. Frost should be the best leveling spec, yeah, definitely, but wowpro.com, jeez, are you really a pro though? Okay, spells, spell, Frost Nova, Ice Lance. Okay, so that's spells. I've got to learn how to play my class, guys. Oh wow, a £68 grouper. Only worth 37. We're going to stop on mounts as well, don't I? Where are we? I hope you heard that fart. You deserve to hear it if you did. Mounts, okay. Let's get rid of these restrictions. Oh yeah, well you need to be level 60. Require that. I want an epic mount. No. What time are we on? Alright, it'll be coffee time soon. Magic rooster egg. Alright, what are we looking at here? %. Seems slow. Can always cheat though, I guess, can't I? Okay. Oh, right at the end of the character limit, and that's pretty much most of it. I just need to fit now. Okay. Okay, actually, you're right, it did. Oh. You're right, it did assign my points. That's interesting, I don't remember doing that. It didn't do that before. Was that max skills that did that? Learn max skills? Or learn my skills that did that? Learn my class did. Weird, okay. Alright. Talents are considered spells. Yeah, that is true. Told me what spells to look at, but not told me. Oh, there we go. So I put my talents. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna go to someone's pre-built thing because it's gonna be better than I can do. Icy flows 3. Definitely at this point gonna be better than what I can do. Ice shards. Piercing ice. Let's go with 1 in piercing ice. shatter. Oh, we didn't do that. Okay. 3 in shatter. Hotkeys. Yeah, there's so much you're going to configure, dude. Arctic reach. We should probably just start again, you know. To be honest with you, we probably should just start from 1. And just level. Do you want to just do that? Does that just make it easier than trying to learn a level 60 class? Just create a new, just leave these characters here and start with 1. Plus, I think it'd be good for me and Lord as well to probably start at 1 so that we actually can build up. Alright, I'm going to leave this character here. And then I'm going to start a level 1 character. Magic Bobs. Magic Face. Error creating character. Why? Ah, oh, she's pretty. Error creating character. What the fit is going on, bruh? I think I know why. I wonder if that's the database. Alright, use a core. Character. Are you guys getting the same? Is the server going to kept alive? Yeah, absolutely going to be kept alive. Yeah. Characters. Yeah, no, absolutely kept alive. I'll do a full once we're in place. I'll do a full backup of all the SQL, and I'll give you a copy of that SQL if you want. And then we can keep it going. 'Cause as long as we've got the SQL going and a copy of the code, we're good. What I will say is maybe keep it going. Only on Sundays. GUID. Count 5. I don't understand why it would be struggling to. Does that count? I'm 5. My gem's 3. Root. Oh god, dragon. AFK go. So if I'm 5. Yeah, count 5. GUID 6. The idea is getting quite late. Even if I set up my character now, it would be like 20 more minutes. And yeah, that's okay. We'll just pick up next week. I've got to go make coffee anyway. And you need to sleep, so that's fine. So if you I am playing WoW because I know you guys like it. I like it too. However, if you go to bed. Oh, I'm really annoyed. She's really pretty. I want to create pretty girl. Those lovely eyes. I want to I'll go back to Eve because the stuff I want to do in Eve. I need to work out why this won't let me create a second character. That's not good. Well, there's the eyes again. Why wouldn't it let me create a second character? How dare you? Error creating character. Can you guys create a second character? She hasn't gone forever. I can just find the face again. There she is. Ah, pretty. I did the first character and it won't let me create any character now. What the fuck? Oh, you actually deleted the first character. I just kept mine. Let me just change. What happens if I create a horde character? Error creating character. That's weird. I've not done anything to prevent us from being able to I don't think I've set any limit on character 4. Okay, character creation expansion 2. Character enable login of the DC. Let's put capital C in there. Character knows all flag class. Oh, that's good the way you can do that actually. Clean out deprecated achievements, skills, spells and talents from the DB. Okay, just close and reopen the client and still the same. Yeah. Okay. Character created and disabled 0. Disabled alliance, disabled horde. That's quite cool. You can actually just disable an entire... that's quite interesting. I didn't know you could do that. Race mask. Wow, you can even restrict the races. Bloody hell. Characters per account, 50. Do you know what might be worth doing before you do anything else? Let me do a MySQL dump of acore_world. Acore_world backup underscore 2025-04-20, I believe it is, .sql. Think that'll do it. Let me just back everything up and then I'm going to do a refresh of the whole database. So we've got a clean database to play with. 300 meg is definitely right. Acore auth. Acore__ backup 2025-04-20.sql. Sweet. MySQL dump acore_characters 2025-04-20. I don't think that's right, is it? Characters. Oh, it is. Yes, it is. Alright, so let me just go... No, actually, let me just do this now. So, there is actually a way of... Oh, you know what I'll have to do, just to be on the safe side, is I'll have to... I'll have to drop the tables. How do you drop all... How do you drop all tables again? Let's go drop all tables. I don't want to delete the database. For Christ's sake, what a typo. What? I don't have to recreate the database again. I just want to drop all the tables. Oh, I've literally got to. But there's loads. Tables. Pass. Okay. Must be a way of doing this. Your table schema equals your database name. Select concart drop table if it exists. Group cart table name. Form information. Tables where table schema equals your database name. Okay. As in, I don't know how to, and don't get in trouble with the wife. She likes her coffee. My God. Yeah, I know, but I just want to get this set up so that you guys can. I know you guys also get angry at me when I. One row affected. Okay. It didn't work. God damn it. Alright, let me go make coffee. That's a thirst. I love Thurston. Cat rage. I am very chilled. You better be. Be right back. Listen to Dragon here with the jokes, turn up the heating. My wife, by the way, Lord, says thank you very much for reminding me to make her a coffee. She appreciates that. She found that quite funny. Alright, database. Use MySQL, and then we go drop @_world. Drop. Oh my god. Drop. No. Drop database @world. It needs to be clean and fresh. Clean and fresh. Drop database @_. Let's go with characters. Now go systemctl stop world server. Stop world server. Okay. And let's, if we, oh actually no. Create database @world. If I go to, oh, I nearly trashed my, did I tell you I nearly trashed my Linux the other day? Trying to get DaVinci Resolve working. Daisy, Azeroth Core Ansible, yes, this is the one we want, this window's fine. Nearly blew the whole thing up trying to install a sound library that then actually was like, oh, so if I install that then I don't need all these other things, and I thought it was referring to sort of like old hardware, like old libraries that was just like, oh, these things aren't needed. And I'm like, okay, so I did it, and it just like, my KDE was just like, goodbye. So I'm like, oh my god. So I rebooted, and then it gave me a reboot screen with a massive keyboard on the screen. So I had to go into the console and do reinstall KDE Plasma, reinstall KDE Desktop, and then it's back to normal-ish. There's a few little things that broke. I lost a lot of apps. A lot of apps uninstalled themselves, which is fine. It wasn't an issue. I actually cleaned out quite a bit, to be honest. And now I've customized myself. So I've got my menu bar along the top. So it took a little bit of effort to get it all going again. But my god. Roles, MySQL database. Okay. Yeah. Well, that was me trying to insert stuff. IDE error. There's been an IDE error. Creative is @core world. @core. What did I actually delete before? @core characters. I left auth in place because I think that should be fine. Yeah, and then I think I'm going to run these manually. Auth database is up to date, contains 4 new archived updates, okay. And then let's try the world server. Okay, so that's now going to basically rebuild that world server. The reason I didn't want to just drop them was because I thought if I drop the databases, will the authentication still work? Because it'll be bound to some UUID in the background, but I guess it is bound to the database name. How you doing, Dragon? Still awake? Yeah, you're still with us. Yeah, I figured it'd be a good idea to actually just start again, rather than trying to start at level 60. That'd be fun. We'll level together. In fact, effectively, if we do that, we'll actually be testing Azeroth Core, going through, and we'll find missing content, and we can use GM commands to overcome it and stuff. That'll be fun. Is it Easter weekend for you guys? It is, right? It's a global thing. Because Jesus. We got a 4-day weekend this weekend with Friday, Monday off. Today is this stream, boom. Then I'm going to my in-laws for lunch, boom. Then I'm going to bring in a friend over, and we're going to watch, me, my wife and friend are going to watch Lord of the Rings behind the scenes, because she records behind the scenes for movies. And so we're gonna watch that together because she hasn't seen it. So that should be fun. I think Dragon's fallen asleep on his keyboard. Oh, I didn't tell you, did I, load about Star Trek Online? I started looking at reviews. So after the stream, I started looking for reviews to see if it was still worth playing in 2025. And this guy was like, no, it is so grindy and repetitive, and you will just do the same thing over and over forever. And I was like, oh, okay. Like an MMO then. Whoa, what was that? What was that? Fail. Okay, respawn. Bad value defined for auto bounds. Yeah, it's okay. It's going to use defaults. Yeah, that's fine. Like any MMO, exactly. Only work 25 hours a week now. I've done my 25 years of careers. Kids have left home, so I've reduced my hours. Yeah, fair enough. Brrr. Couldn't find creature ID, blah. Relentless stalker, that's fine. So those are low scripts will just fail. That's all sexy and stuff. Yeah. Waiting for 3,777 queries to finish. Okay. Very cool. Even the MMO database server itself has got to do grinding. It's got to grind through all that SQL. Are there any other cool MMO servers we could host and play? There's one in Eve, by the way. There's an old Eve one, an old version of Eve. It's proper old, but it's fun. Looks good. Final Fantasy, yeah, 1.0, correct. Final Fantasy 14 1.0, yeah. Is it stable? Is it easy to get the client, Dragon? My understanding is that's proper chunky though. It's proper not chunky, crunchy game. It's really it's an old school game with the UI, battle, combat. Because I remember seeing her obviously about the whole story of Final Fantasy 14 with the Realm Reborn and everything. I won't be here next week. I'm away with the wife that weekend. Total WoW are making an Unreal Engine version of Client. Yeah, I noticed that. I don't think I like it, to be honest. WoW's got a certain look to it that should just stay the same. Where are you off to next weekend with the wife? Going on holiday? Anywhere nice? There we go. Now it's waiting for 235,000 queries to finish in the A-Core world. Brilliant. Okay, we'll just wait for that then. What have we got over here? Just gonna dig. Yeah, very good. Okay. Join them later. Going to see Paul Smith, a Liverpudlian comedian. Oh yeah, I've heard of Paul Smith. For I am from Liverpool. Booch, 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 booch. Liverpool. You were? Guide how to configure the client, install Final Fantasy and install the 700 launcher. Yeah, no client provided. No, they won't give you the client. You'll have to go out and find a 1.0 client. Those projects never dish out the client. MediaTek. Hey MediaTek. What are you building? I am waiting for the MediaTek. I am waiting for the Azeroth core world server to finish all of its database queries, because I had to drop. I had to drop the database in order to rebuild it so that we can play as a little trio from level 1 upwards, but we couldn't create additional characters. They were broken for some reason. So I'm just waiting for it to finish 235,000 queries. We are live streaming. Yeah, we'll play together live stream. It'll be right here on my stream. Yeah, all three of us. We're just going to go from level 1 and just play together. Hey Dragon, it won't be impossible. I think if you actually do a bit of Googling, I reckon you'll find it. No, the login should be fine, Lord, because I left the auth server alone. I think. We'll find out. If not, I can just create them again with the same password. It's not a problem. Have you just overlaid this chat in OBS? Yes. Correct. Oh my god, it's still going. That's quite a lot of queries. I wonder what the oh, we look in CPU usage. It's pretty low. That's interesting, given that it's this Bob just sat there being Bob. 1 gig of RAM, love it. 24 gig of RAM we give in the WoW server. CPU's not budging much, given it's doing all of those freaking queries. I think it's lying. I don't think it's doing those queries at all. But yeah, that's just the window in OBS. Window capture on the Discord window, and then you just crop it. You crop the window down to the section that you need, which is just this chat. I feel like there's I dropped A-core characters and A-core world, but I left A-core auth as it is. I added 8,000 bots to mine as a test when it starts using CPU. Yeah, I remember you did that. That was so cool. Overlay stream kit. I'm aware of sort of like OBS and overlays and stuff, because I used to do some pretty hardcore level stuff when I used to stream back in the day, like proper hardcore stream. But we can have a little look. Project Me is a bit, it is a bit dead. It probably will be. Discord stream kit overlay for OBS. Oh, nice. Okay. It doesn't. Okay. Is that it? Ah, okay. Ah, so I authenticate. I go. Okay. Cool. What do you want to do? Read all messages interface with your Discord client. I think it's overlay to read all my messages. Nah, I'm good. Looks fun though. You can customize it. Clever. That looks good though. Does look good. There's so much you can do with overlays. You can literally just embed entire HTML pages and have like animated characters walking across your screen and all kinds. It's pretty crazy what you can do. Let's have a look. There must be another one. Meteor server. There must be another one. Is that the only one? I bet it's written in C#.net, isn't it? Yeah, it is .net. Yeah, okay, it is. Yeah. I don't know why people always go with C#.net. Okay, come on. That's just crazy now. They've got a Discord server. Let's see how active that is. Poop. That's how active it is. It's dead. Because of the DB. Yeah, but isn't they can just pick whatever DB they want, can't they? Windows 10 officially supported. Apache 2.4 officially supported. MySQL. They use MySQL, so what's the DB got to do? Oh, right. And is that just easier to do in .NET? Were they originally written in .NET or something? Right, okay. Okay, that makes sense. People have provided the launcher, 7umbra.org. What do you mean it's impossible to get the clients right there? Isn't this the link to the client? Or do you need... Yeah, but the launcher downloads the client though, right? Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. Excuse me. So I wonder how you get that then. 2023. Let's play. Go. You won't be able to hear the audio on Discord.
Hello and welcome, Warriors of Light. That's right, the video title is exactly what it says. We're going to be doing a Let's Play of the full limbs.
God, yeah, I remember that. Holy moly. I wonder how complete it is. Does it say how complete it is? Actually looks not bad. Looks pretty cool, actually. Slurp le derp. Love it. Is it a pretty complete game? It's not? Okay. Okay, I'm just going to kill that. That's gone. There's absolutely no way those.
So not only, so the Limsa storyline is like pretty much you can run through it to the end of the Never Twain Shall Meet, and then after that quest is.
Let's have a look. What's done? Basic lobby server emulation, logging, character listing, roaming around specific zones. Read-only menus, cutscene, what's not done, character management, MC placement, interaction, teleportation, battle mode, skills. Oh my god. Well, how's he playing it though?
Basically, they tell you to go to the Waking Sands and
Like he's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And
like
some of the
6.5 hours of content.
Gridania.
Yeah, but he's talking about, isn't he just accepted? He's talking to
My
people.
character is probably just like confused. That's all hell.
Now loading.
Like, wait, when was I enlisted?
He just spoke to an NPC. There was dialogue there. There you go. Look, he's triggered a cutscene.
Wait, right there.
I know. Okay, it's just a cutscene, I guess.
Trying to put the means. My favorite part. You still carry the standard on the weapons. Sergeant, don't you do? My character. My recording was somewhat interfering with that.
I guess they're just roaming around then.
But an adventurous looking adventurer. Freshman one adventurer.
Oh, hang on.
This is actually one of my favorite themes from FF14, by the way. Very good, very good.
20. I used Kubuntu.
Finally, wave your hand back
2504.
before your father set off on a journey to find their lair of a magical dragon. He may never return. Let him know that you will always be with him in spirit. Wave and farewell, my friend.
Okay.
Excellent. If you happen to see a suspicious wind up, yes. I have to. What? Oshan's torch.
Okay, so let's.
So now. Hello and welcome back, everyone, to our playthrough
Doesn't
of
have
the
any skills.
1.x
That's not a good sign.
MSU running on Lizard Dizzle's build of the Iron Cannon's Project Meteor server. Today we're going to be doing Legends of Dread. I've already set up the macros to where we need to teleport to, and I've also.
Oh, now he's got skills. Okay.
Been playing with your trade on Astillation now, have you? Well, I can't turned up uninvited. The nights used to be. Some of my cellmates have even given the profession.
It's almost like they're just like able to just sort of interact with NPCs and stuff.
Anything and everything that comes into Livestone must pass through the gate. Scholarlies there keep an eye out for items that might pose a threat to the city, as well as them might not make a sackful of coin through.
Is that what you reckon it is? Steam. World of Warcraft. Load. Unfortunately, I have to go in 30 minutes. My first MMO was Dark Age of Camelot. Mine was probably WoW, actually. Never played Dark Age. Yeah, so I'm able to connect. Can I now create a character? I want my pretty lady. Where's my pretty lady? Hairstyle. Yeah, she's pretty. I don't know if it let me create though. Yeah, it did. Okay, can you guys try logging in? They gave up on it and they are recreating areas from 1.0 in UE5. What? Final Fantasy 14 or Dark Age of Camelot? Oh, bloody... Model search, multi-bar model search, custom icon fix. Oh. Oh, I see. So a different project then. Oi, Dragon, get that, not Dragon. Lord, get that GM mode off. You don't need it. It's only for debugging. Ah, okay. I actually genuinely wish I could play Eve solo. I mean, not solo, but more just PvE. Just a strong focus on PvE. Honestly, I actually end up... Like, I don't mind the PvP aspect to it, but it would be cool to play it without other players in the universe if I could. However, it's not that easy. Alright, we're in Dragon. If you want to join. I understand if you want to go to bed, that's okay, we won't. So question, do you want me to leave the server running? Or do you guys want me to prevent access during while we're leveling? Should I shut it down? So we only play it on Sundays, or do you want to just leave it open? I reckon just a stream. Just during streams. I reckon the problem was with the database. I reckon there was UUID problems. Because I deleted the mic character and then via the World console. And then I recreated the same user with the same login. And yeah, here we are today. I'll leave it running. I'll just leave it running. It just runs on my Proxmox system under my desk, so I'm level 2 guys, haha, I'm winning. Ah, it's been a long time since I've done this. Have you dinged yourself a level 80? Oh, here we go. Shouldn't have given you GM. I'm gonna have to take your GM off, you know, aren't I? Oh yeah, forgot to join a group. Haha. Hey, I got quite a lot of drops from that actually. Did I up the I didn't up the drops, I don't think. Better get leveling, dude. Dot appear if you need to come to us, my good man. Hang on, what? Oh, I've got to kill the I didn't kill the kobolds. Ha, lol. Do. You're free to, if you want to stay a night elf and you want to level independently and then we can meet somewhere. I'm cool for that. Or if you want to appear on top of us, that's okay. Just don't level yourself. we can do the leveling thing if we really like further on. We'll get to level 20 and then we can add 10 levels on just to help throw across. Or if we just get stuck on things. But other than that, oh, I see. It must have been my. What's that? Vermin. Ugh. I hate Nelf Zone. Do you really? I don't know how I feel about the thingy zone actually. I think I prefer it actually. It's just a really nice zone. Another question is, do you want me to leave XP rates as they are? Or should we up them? Yeah, the quests are a little annoying actually. You're not wrong there. Oh, you got to beat him to death with your stick, aren't you? Come on. Alright, cover, mana. I can fiddle with XP rates if you want. Yeah, human zone. The human zone is better. It is better. I can fiddle with drop rates as well if you want more like loot to drop, greys and things, so that you can earn a little bit more money that way. $60 characters, yeah. I know it's just such an easy pick, isn't it? Really. Like the whole Nelf thing is fine, but yeah, you're right. It's just sort of the zone is nicer for humans. It's obviously had you can tell it's had a lot more. It's had a lot more current attention, hasn't it? Hasn't it? Speak to Millie. All right, I'm gonna go do probably the Bandit one. Oh, I've got the Bandit one and the pick the berries one. So let me wait for you to catch up. Oh wow, and then sold the characters. Ha! That's a pretty cool idea. You know, you're using a speak app. About 30 minutes per character. No way. That's crazy. Hey, don't forget to add Dragon to the group. Haha, level 3 I win. Kill 8 co-os, okay. Whoa, cryptic message. He's in here, right? Yeah, he is in here. Is it you? Oh, you're the priest trainer. Oh my god, why are you upstairs? You might have to set one in Discord channel to allow us to speak. You might have to set one Discord channel to allow. Oh, okay. Well, I can just allow you to speak in here. I think at this point, I can just invite you to speak on here if you want to. Now you're a speaker.
Hello.
Hello. How you doing?
Yay.
Yay, you can speak. Welcome. Do you want to join us?
Yes.
Join us, Dragon, in the old speaking? You don't have to. Ooh, what can I learn? I can up my intellect. Arcane intellect. Okay, let's do that. Oh no, I don't even have it to begin with. Okay. Action bars. This brings back some memories. Memories. Put that up here. It's late for you now. Nearly 1 AM. Alrighty. Free loot? Oh yeah, you gotta enable free loot. I gotta go and kill workers, and then I gotta go do the Brotherhood of Thieves. Oh, they're just out here, the workers. Okay. What is the weather like over there, Lord?
It's fine at the moment. It has been sunny.
That's nice, because it's approaching summer. Oh, none of us are a healer. Oh, we got a druid. I should have went priest. Is it worth me re-rolling? We're gonna need a healer, right? Will you be okay at end game though?
I just decided to play a tank.
Yeah, if you go tank and dragon heals, that works. But well, when do you get like so when you go level 60 as a druid, or we start doing dungeons, can druids keep up? You can keep up. Okay. Yeah, I know. I remember.
Yeah, I think it changed in Wrath, so...
Did it really? To make it easier? Or more accessible, I should say, to healers.
Yeah, when our guild was doing Ice Crown, we had a priest and a druid.
Oh, okay. Then we have everything we need. I've got auto balance configured as well, so it actually balances the dungeon to us, to our group size. Am I done with the workers? Yes.
Nice.
Oh. Free loot. Long 20 minutes. Alright. So it's so long since I've done this. Wonder how quick it'll be. How long it'll take us to get to
Wish I could learn. Charge.
Charge, yeah. It does help, doesn't it? Having basic skills. I forgot how after the game creatures still miss crucial body parts for quests. What? What do you mean? Alright, let's kill this.
Like the Zebra Hoof one. Get 4 Zebra Hooves and only like 30 Zebras have hooves.
Oh, right, okay. Oh, right, so you kill something and you get like 3 hearts or something, and you're like, how's that possible? Is that what you mean? Because like, my understanding is like when something drops and it doesn't drop like hooves, it's because you've mashed it out of use. Like, you know what I mean? Like if you've used a sword to kill something, then you've cut through the heart or something. And if you need to collect the heart, then you can't because you've cut through it. If that makes sense. It's got to be like a clean kill. I think that's my understanding. It's like the lore behind it, like from a game design perspective. Could be wrong though. I don't like how they changed the Defias to be passive in these in the starter zone. I don't like how they just made them, because now I can just come and grab all of this Millie's Harvest and they just stand around doing nothing. Could change it, I guess. Where are we? Have you guys ever been tempted to go back to retail?
I still play it now and again.
Yeah, I tend to do that too. I tend to go back every now and then, but also as Dragon Sister, play on a release of a new expansion. Oh, do I have? No, I don't. Okay. Seems to be getting a little bit more coin than I'm...
But Wrath was my favourite time.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I think Wrath was my favourite as well. The most memories I have is Burning Crusade, I think.
Yeah, because on the retail, this is full of orcs.
Oh, really? Huh. I feel like the story, like the progression, the way they evolve the world in retail is just a bit much. Like the changes they made to the overall world, and I think they could have just been more gradual. Though I don't think they had to be as extreme as they made them. I don't know.
Well, it's all about endgame now, isn't it, and not leveling.
That's true. That is very true. Make number go up. I never really looked into it much, but I do wonder how Guild Wars 2 does it in terms of the level cap doesn't change. They just sort of horizontally scale the game, not vertically. But it's been a while since I've sort of looked into that. They add systems. Fun. But yeah, I need to look into it more. Need to
I
find other...
remember playing Star Wars Galaxies.
Oh yeah. Was that the same as WoW, or in terms of like the systems, or?
it was its own unique thing, I'm afraid.
Oh yeah, okay. Was it good?
Yeah. Until they patched it and made everybody a Jedi.
Oh right. Yes.
Yeah, because when the game first launched, there wasn't any Jedis. You had to become Force sensitive.
Right, okay. So you had to earn it, and then they just made everyone a Jedi.
Yeah, but even when you became Force sensitive, you still had to figure out what to do next.
Oh.
Hmm.
Oh, that's, yeah, okay, I see. Alright, cool. Have you got 8 yet?
And like their version of guilds could build their own little towns.
Really?
No, I need one more.
One more. Okay, we'll just keep plowing through them. I don't even know where a dragon is.
Yeah, I've got it now.
You got it? Yeah, oh, okay. Well. Alrighty. Kobold
I know
laborers.
when people logged in after 6 months off and found out they were a Jedi, they went, oh, I don't want this.
Yeah, right. What else could you be? Could you be like a Sith and stuff?
No, I played an Imperial Commando.
Oh, okay. Oh, Millie. Where's Millie? Don't have to give a shit to Millie.
I think after about 8 months, the first Jedi appeared, and we just saw him annihilating people in the cantina.
Oh, right, okay. Just like OP. Completely OP.
Yeah, right at the beginning.
It's always the way, isn't it? They never really know how to balance it. I heard a guy managed to get permission from LucasArts to remake it in Unreal Engine. Wow. That's quite impressive, getting George Lucas to allow you to do that. Bloody hell. Do you know when he created Star Wars, George Lucas? He, non-commercial, yeah, fair enough. He, when he created Star Wars, he demanded the, merchandising rights, and then when they basically the executive producers and producers were like, oh well, okay, yeah, I mean no one ever makes money doing that, and so they were like, sure, our inventory is full. That's a good problem to have.
He made most of his money from that, didn't he?
Yeah, he's worth about 11 billion now, I think his net worth is. Alright, let's just get rid of this stuff. Keep that water. Maybe keep the breads. They will disappear anyway when I hand them in. 2 silver already. I'm pretty certain I didn't play around with anything in there.
Where's Millie?
She's round the back. Yeah, you're going the right way. Just keep going round to the right. Ooh.
Yeah, there's no need to read quest text anymore in retail. There's just an icon on your map.
Yeah, I know. I actually hate that. I hate that quite a lot. It's just me, but some people like it. I don't like it. What's this guy wants his booze?
To go top of the tower.
What's been a thing? You mean the icon? Not
No,
really
I'm just saying I've got to go to the top of the tower.
Oh no, I'm just replying to Dragon in the chat. Where are we? Garrick's Head and labourers. Let's go and get Garrick's Head. I started playing TFT without knowing English. Oh, I didn't. I thought you were just an English speaker. I think your English is really good, Dragon, for someone whose English isn't their first language. I keep going to hit V every time I'm playing WoW to activate my D scanner. That's how hardcore ingrained the old D scanner is in my head. Oh, your English is really good. Better than mine, probably. It's funny, actually, I had a Japanese tutoring lesson yesterday, and we were talking about the various JLPT levels, and I was asking about like N2 and N1, which are like the highest. You need N2. His head should be there. You can loot that, right? Yeah, sweet. And we were talking, and you need N2 in order to get a visa, in order to live in Japan, which my wife and I don't want to do. I'm literally just doing it for the fun of it. But she was saying that she knows people who've done like the N3 and the N2, and they speak better Japanese than the natives because the Japanese is grammatically correct, whereas obviously natives just speak slang and slur and just use whatever works, right, given the environment you're in. It just happened that my English goes into a trash bin. Falls into me want food, give me that, points of food. Kuryo onegaishimasu. It's the same in Japanese, just point and go kuryo onegaishimasu. Or soryo or ario onegaishimasu if it's far away from both of you. I'll go with those. Oh yeah. Alright, so we got a level 5. No other languages. I might learn Korean after I've played around with Japanese for a couple of years. I think I'll learn Korean, and then I'll probably do Cantonese or Mandarin. Probably Mandarin, actually. It's surprising you don't actually really need to learn a lot to get very far, especially with something like Japanese, because the grammar is very sensible. Like X is Y. Like Kuriwa nan desu ka is like, what is that? And then you can go like Kuriwa nan desu ka, and then you just literally replace nan with something else. The structure just stays the same. It's actually quite logical. Ooh, better frostbolt. Yeah, nice. I feel like I've got oh no, okay, that burned through all of it. Okay, fair enough. Don't show me unavailable. Sweet. Well, I can create water now, which is nice. Which means I can sell that water that I've got there. And I've now got frostbolt, which is also nice. Wait, 360. Where you chaps at? Where you chaps at? What about you, Dragon? Do you know multiple languages? Romanian and English.
I'm heading to the mine.
You heading to the mine? Okay, cool. Technically, I should know French. You don't want to learn French, mate. Stay away from the French. I did 5 years of French. Oh, I think if you needed to, you would, I think you'd pick it back up again. Oh, we just got to kill these things, right? This should be easy enough. Let's just, given that I'm a mage, Just DPS the living shit out of everything. Yeah, I guess if you've not practiced it, to be fair, I'm the same with Japanese. I do not practice it even remotely enough, but it's gonna change this weekend. I really want to start pushing and reading stuff. It's gonna be a while before I can actually read stuff. Oh, you got charge. Alright, done on that one.
On a really slow cooldown. Right, I'm done.
Really slow. Alright, I have to go in 1 Australian minute, but I will log out. You guys can keep going if you want to. If you guys
Like 1 o'clock here.
Yeah, no, I was just thinking that actually it's 1 AM for you, and I think if Dragon's in Romania, it's going to be about 3 in the morning. Need to get starting zone to learn stuff. Need to go starting zone to learn stuff. I think so. Yeah, you do need to do the starting zone. You need to work your way through the Goldshire at last. Goldshire. You are dismissed, pretty. 3 AM. Yeah, figured it would be 3 AM. See how smart I am, guys? Get rid of that, get rid of that, get rid of that, put that there, put that there. 75 copper. Absolutely minted. Don't have any talent yet. Okay, I'm gonna get to Goldshire and then go off.
Oh, I need to kill a few more mobs just to get level 5.
Oh, do you? If you head to, if you come towards Goldshire with us, there'll be loads along the way.
It's on my way.
Even literally just over here on the grass, there's loads here. But if we leave here as well, it'll be slightly higher level, so you get a bit more EXP from them. And we'll just fly through them as well. Whee! Have I been to Romania? No, I haven't. I've been to Czech Republic and why do I want to say Poland? I feel like I've been to Poland, but I'm not sure. I always forget. I should know this. When I did certain forms that I had to fill in recently, it required me to go through all of my travel. So I should actually know. Alright, if we head just over to the right here, shouldn't there be like spiders and stuff in here that we can kill? Yeah, there's a wolf there. There's a wolf here that's level 6.
Bandits over here.
Oh, is there? Oh yeah, nice. Kill him. Level 6. Nice. This should be getting lots of EXP from these. Also lots of pain. Pow, pow, pow. Ugh. Linen cloth. It's funny actually, you don't really like think of it as worth much, but now it's like I'm at the point now where I do actually understand that. Oh god, you've overdone yourself there, bud. We'll get him down. It's easy enough. Oh shit, where's she going? Oh, I thought she was running off to tell other people, like, oh, they're here. Yay, level 5.
Wanna roll for the chest?
Now you go for it. I'm gonna head to Goldshire. Spammed healing for nothing. Oh, okay. What are they? Class?
It's a pair of cloth legs in there.
Okay. Doodle-doo. I guess I'll just roll need on it. So you get it?
Different spirit,
track 'em on it.
increased mana regen.
Oh, I'm being chased by something. Oh, there we go. Yeah, you wanna have a go? Come on then, yo. Let's do it. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, I'll get into here, set the inn to be thy home. There's a few things we can kill along the way. That's level 1. It's probably not even worth it. Oh, there's another thingy over here. Cut purse. Let's kill these little noobs. Come on, cast. Oh, dragon.
All of it level 5
What
anyway.
have you done here, dragon? You have to heal yourself, dragon. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, thanks, dragon. God. Need to get us killed. 3 AM. You won't like my healing. That's worrying. We're going to need you to heal later on. When we do... What's it called? The Dead Mines. The Dead Mines. That's not even the first one we can do, right? Isn't there one earlier than that?
Stockades.
The Stockade, yeah. Lion Pride's in. Alrighty, here you go. There's your stuff. I'll take the pumpkin, thanks. Alright, that's me done for the day. So I've got family to go see, chaps. Thank you so much. Appreciate you joining me. Thanks for coming into the chat, look.
Thanks for hosting it.
That's all good. That's all good. It's good fun. You guys are more than happy to carry on going, and then if you really outscale me level-wise, I'll just cheat and level catch up with you. So you're more than free to keep playing. I'll just keep it running. It's just running on a simple box, so it's all good. Alrighty, I will exit the game. Leave all of that going. And you guys can have fun. Thanks very much. I'll see you later. Have fun. Have a good weekend. Take it easy. And I won't see you next
See you
week.
next week. See.
Well,
And you.
I won't see you, mate, because you're going to see a comedian.
Oh.
Well, but if you manage to come online, that's fine. But
Have a nice day.
you too. See you, mate.